Wow, this is incredible. This is my favorite site so far. This is like, wow. Good morning everyone, David Hoffman here from Davidsbeenhere in beautiful Lucknow, India. Today I'm meeting up with one of my Instagram fans. His name's Aishu. I'm going to go explore some of the main attractions of the city. We're going to start off with Bara Imambara. Then we're going to go see the Rumi Darwazu, British Residences. Now let's meet with Aishu and see all the beautiful sights of Lucknow. All I gotta say is this is pretty wild. My friend Shanu was telling me the other day that there's 3 things you need in India to drive: good horn, good brakes, and good luck, because it's chaotic. I mean, right now we're in traffic and some motorcyclist is like literally ran into this car. It was crazy. Oh my god. I think it's just way too many people. Way too many people. Everybody is just like, it's unlawless driving here.
Hello.
What's up, man? Ready to go?
This is Bara Imambara.
Let's go, let's go.
This is the Bara Imambara, made by the ruler of Lucknow, Asafuddin Daulah, in 1784.
I mean, this architecture is amazing. I love how they have the fish there.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is very different from what I've seen in Agra and in Delhi. So different emperor, right? From all the other ones.
Yeah, different country.
Okay. Wow, this is a massive place. It's a palace, right?
Yeah, it's not basically a palace, but it's a mosque inside the Imambara, the praying place for the Muslims.
Okay, so here at the entrance of this gate, you can get a guide. An English-speaking guide costs around 300 rupees. Gotta take off our shoes so we can go inside. Just leave it here, or do we leave it?
You have to leave your shoes here.
You?
Yeah, kitna hai? Bolo.
Good, don't be shy, don't be
I'm the
shy.
camera shy.
Nah.
This building the name Imambara.
Imambara.
This is the great Imambara in the world. World is without any support. Is without any beam.
And so no beams.
No beam. There's no cement. There's no stone. Only this building is made of limestone. On red lime, gum, flower, fruit, honey,
Okay.
and dal.
All these chandeliers were gifted by other countries. They're all completely different, right? Yeah, they're all very different. Bara means big. So big Islamic prophet building. Right here we have a replica of the tomb of the Prophet Muhammad in Mecca. I mean, obviously it's a tiny version, but this is exactly what it looks like in Mecca. The
Without
biggest
any
hall
support.
in Asia
In Asia.
with no beams.
No beam. They are not put the pillar.
Wow, so this is the biggest hall in Asia with no beams,
Asia.
no pillars.
No beam.
Wow.
No cement.
Dude, this is amazing.
It's one architect and a different architecture. Chinese, Indian, or the Persian. The other side is Chinese one. Very beautiful architect. This is the grave of Nawab of Lucknow.
The man who built
Yeah,
this.
yeah, the whole building, and architect. Two both here. Nawab and building the architect.
Wow.
All deep only 5 meters underground.
So he's an emperor, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so here we have the emperor's grave and the architect's
And
grave right in the center. This is a Chinese clock right here.
The total sitting in the labyrinth.
Labyrinth basically is the ventilation system. It's hollow.
Yeah, in
Amazing.
This is the labyrinth. The labyrinth is starting the one way they enter to come out.
We're going up the labyrinth. It's about 84 steps to the top. There's only one way in and out.
Mark number 100.
Oh my
Enter
God.
To come in.
Yeah, it's like amazing here.
So this is the 4 passages for confusing.
That's insane.
1, 2, 3, 4. West, east, south. This come in the light.
I mean, this is great air
Four,
ventilation.
yeah. So this is the hollow.
Yeah. Wow.
This is 1024 same like this. Everything. This is the Chinese hall.
The Chinese hall.
It is nice.
Oh wow, that's very long.
Okay, these are for ventilation.
Yeah, no, you feel the breeze.
Yeah.
It's pretty amazing. It's like super hot outside and it's really cold in here.
This is the main hall.
Oh my
This
God.
hall is sort of the soundproof hall.
Yeah, you could easily fall though.
So you stand here and
My guide's telling me to come to this spot, and from here, I stand there. He's going to the very end, and he's gonna talk, and I'm gonna hear everything he has to say.
Hello, ready? Chutki ki awaaz. Ek aur.
Yeah, I can really hear him. He's right in that corner. I mean, I can hear him perfectly. This is incredible.
you hear me?
Yeah, I heard you.
This design, the sound through.
This is really amazing. This corridor is 110 meters long. So from here you could see the road through the entire complex. And what the soldiers would do, they would sit here and just wait. Right? It's amazing. Right now we're going to the second floor. Wow, hold on a sec.
He's sound. No touch that. Please come in.
Stay still? It's basically like an ancient telephone.
Yeah.
He's gonna talk from really far away, and we're gonna hear him here. I hear you. That's how far he is.
Can you get out of here on your own?
No. Third floor.
This corridor seem long 110 meter and total roof support.
Oh, it's just
The
interlocked.
bed, this is building the main support the brick interlocking and it is dome of Indian hall.
You saw from down there's the dome.
Down
Yeah,
down
yeah.
is the road circuit. This is the top.
Wow. So we're on the
That
rooftop.
That is the roof. That roof thick only 5 meter. This is total no beam. They support by dome and corridor.
Or the entire building is supported by the domes and the corridors. So from right here, you can probably get the best photos of Lucknow. They're telling me that I gotta find the way out of here because it's like a maze, so we gotta see how to get out. I doubt I can find a way out, man. Okay, so how do we get out of here? He's like, nope, that's wrong. So 4 different passageways. One's wrong, you're right. I know, it's a game, it's a game. It's a crazy game. Get lost here forever. Ah! That was wrong. I give up. Up and down and down and up. Okay, this is it. This is impossible.
What's your head?
It's this way. I did it right.
Good. 100 number.
You know why? I remembered. I remember we went down.
This is the mark. Hello.
100 mark. We did it. We made it. Oh my god. I'm exhausted. I need to like sit down. Give me a sec, guys. There's the bully, the big well. So when the river was really high during monsoon season, this place would fill up. Wow, this is incredible. This is my favorite site so far. This is like, wow. Yeah, natural air conditioning. See the reflection of the family right there?
Yeah. Color TV.
Right there. So don't come to Lucknow during a rainy season because you won't be able to visit the site. So it's 6-floor building. Each one of these layers is 2 floors. From top to bottom, 200 feet deep.
The water level here depends upon the river Gomti. If the level of river Gomti goes down, the water here also goes down. So it's like connected.
Very happy. Thank you so much. Fantastic tour.
Pillu. I
Pillu.
am the senior guide in Lucknow.
He's a senior guy in Lucknow.
Yeah.
When you come here, look him up. Thank you. Thank you again. So we saw Bara Imambara.
Bara Imambara.
Bara Imambara.
And we are now going to towards the Rumi Gate.
Yeah, so this is the Rumi Gate. This is like the entrance to the old town of Lucknow. It was built in the year 1784 by Nawab of Awadh, and it's an example of Awadhi architecture. It's a beautiful gate. Everybody's been telling me to come here at night though. Dude, this gate's amazing. Wow.
Okay, then
Let's go.
we are going to the residency. The residency was the staying place for the British officials. They did the stay.
If you don't know about the history in India, the British conquered India for over 200 years. They were stationed here for 200 years, and this is their residency here in Lucknow. All right. The residency, British residency. Crazy. This is insane. So it's 15 for Indians, 200 for international, and 25. So this is Bailey Guard Gate. This entrance gate was constructed by the Nawab Sadat Ali Khan in honor of Captain John Bailey, who became the resident of Lucknow in the beginning of the 19th century, and the portal came to be known as the Bailey Guard Gate. Let's walk through it. The history of the residency can be traced back to the year 1774, when Nawab Sijodhala agreed to have a British resident station in Awadh. Residency was established in Lucknow when the capital Awadh was shifted from Hussainabad to Lucknow in the year 1775. Pretty cool information. I didn't know about this place. I had no idea about this place. So the entire residency is full of houses. This one right here is Dr. Fair's house, and he was a surgeon during the siege of 1857. Let's keep exploring the complex. There's many houses. Let's see them all. This is the banqueting hall. This hall was constructed by Nawab Sadat Ali Khan. It was probably the most imposing structure in the whole area, with its grand apartments, its spacious saloons, furnished with costly chandeliers, mirrors, and silk diwans. It was used for banquets in honor of the Nawab. We're entering the 1857 Memorial Museum residency. So right here we have the British Residency site plan. This is what it used to look like. We're about to enter St. Mary's Church and Cemetery. The church was built in Gothic style in 1810, now standing only to the height of 2 to 3 feet. It is surrounded by a cemetery first used during the siege in 1857. So supposedly a lot of people died during that siege in 1857, and that's why there's so many tombs here. And this church is like a tiny church. How is this church? This is a church? This is a grave right here. It's a grave for many people. So this building, you can see the marks of the bullets and the cannons that were firing here at the British when the British were about to leave India. So where to next?
What's next is Chota Imambara.
Okay, so small Imambara.
Yeah.
Big complex?
A big complex, but small name.
Uber, the only way to get around India.
This is Chota Imambara. We are studying at the Chota Imambara, and this was built in year 1832. This Imambara was basically made for Muharram. It's for Irani Shia and Muslims and Nawabs. Whenever Muharram is there, so still they do the tazia and matam. They carry the tazia here, and you see the fish right there. That's was used by the Nawabs here for the wind direction, and it's made of metal. That's the replica of the Taj Mahal, and to keep the symmetry, this was also built. This was the grave of Muhammad Ali Shah's daughter, and as to keep the symmetry, this was also built, but this is not a grave, this is just a storehouse.
This is where Muhammad Ali Shah used to relax before he got into the bathtub. Let's go see the bathtub. This is the bathtub.
So right here is the shower, where the king used to sit right here on a silver stool. You see these 4 nozzles, the water used to come here down. Okay.
So here was hot water.
So that's the hot water tub, and you see that hollow in between. The king used to put coal there and the metal sheet, so the water gets heated up from that.
And this little bathtub used to have rose water. This is Chota Imambara, and now it's a prayer house So it's not a mosque, but it's a prayer house. Can't film inside, but from outside you can see they have the Quran written throughout the whole thing. Hey, so what's the last stop?
Last stop is the picture gallery.
Picture gallery?
Yeah, about the stuff and the photographs that are made by the emperors of that time.
We weren't allowed to film inside, but in there you could see paintings of many of the Nawab rulers dating back to like 1727. They're huge paintings, like 10-foot paintings, very beautiful. And what the guide in there was telling us is the eyes follow you wherever you go. They're all like 3D paintings. And then right in front of us here, we have the last site of our tour, and that is the clock tower. Hussainabad clock tower was built in 1881 by Nawab Nisar ud-Din Haddad to mark the arrival of Sir George Cooper, first Lieutenant Governor of the United Province of Awadh. It's a beautiful clock tower. You can see it from most places in the city. I hope you guys love this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Leave us a comment below if you want to visit India, Lucknow, or if you've been to Lucknow. And subscribe to my channel for more awesome travel content. Thank you so much, dude. I'll see you tomorrow. We're gonna eat tomorrow.
Yeah, sure.
Let's do it.